Welcome everyone to Tisoy Cooks Filipino Food. Ang pang-alang ko ay Gabe Gonzalez, and today I'm going to make a dish called menudo. It's more of a tomato-based dish with some vegetables in it, and it's very similar to other things such as caldereta. So there are some small differences, but nonetheless it's a tasty dish. We never really had this one growing up, and I personally never made menudo. So I took bits and pieces from different recipes and I put it together into what I think is going to be a quick and tasty recipe. So we'll put it all together and we'll see what happens. Okay, so for the veggies we have 1 onion, 1 large russet potato, 2 carrots, 1 large tomato, and about 4 or 5 large garlic cloves. So these are all chopped up into cubes, and we're going to add these at various times. So that's all we have for the vegetable component. For the meat component, we have 1 kilo of pork, so around 2.2 pounds, and 4 hot dogs cut up. Some recipes call for liver, but we're going to try to keep this simple and a little more tasty. So no liver. You can also substitute pork with chicken, some skinless, boneless chicken, or you can combine both of them together. But for the sake of this recipe and for making it affordable, I got a kilo of pork. Look at that menudo. There it is, final dish, menudo. Got my potatoes, carrots, hot dogs, pork. Thanks everyone for watching. The dish turned out really well. I'm actually about to have some leftovers, fry up an egg, fry the rice, and have it for brunch. I love doing that with any kind of leftover dish. But anyways, the menudo was awesome. It was quick. It was simple, it's affordable. A lot of people add different things to this, so it's very customizable. People add raisins, bell peppers. You can add any different kind of vegetable you want to it. And like I said before, you can have the chicken and the pork together, or you can just have chicken menudo, and there's also liver included in some recipes. So it's very customizable. You can do whatever you want with this. I recommend trying this very basic version, and of course you don't have to use the hot dogs. For some people that's weird, but try this very basic version. Let me know how it goes. Comment below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, please like, and you can actually follow us on Instagram as well at Rukago Media. So there's more than just this cooking show. I'm doing a bunch of podcasts as well, and I do some promos for that company. So it's very new, and I'm excited to get that going. So up next, I'm gonna do lumpia. So lumpia is one of my all-time favorites. I used to eat it growing up. My grandma used to make it, and I've made it with my dad as well, but I've never made it by myself. So I'm gonna see what happens when I find a lumpia recipe. So if you have a lumpia recipe and you're okay with sharing it, please send it my way and I'll use it for the next episode. If not, I'm just gonna scour the internet, look on YouTube, and look at different recipes and see what I can piece together to make a quick and easy recipe just like this menudo. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see everyone in the next episode.